We're back in the Gornergrat barn and back on the way to Rotenboden. Our original plan included a snowshoe trail from Gornergrat all the way back down to Riffelberg. However, due to the heavy snowfall during the night, the upper part of the trail is closed due to the risk of avalanches. We still get to do the 322 Panoramic Trail here at Zermatt. It is a beautiful, short, about 3-kilometer long snowshoe trail that should take about an hour and 10 minutes to complete. From Rotenboden, the trail leads all the way down to Riffelberg. Located next to the Gornergrat railway, you will have the best views of the Matterhorn along the entire trail. So we decided to do the Panoramic Trail from Rotenboden to Riffelberg. It's really great to be so early in the morning because apparently no one else has been here yet. The snow is perfect, just powder everywhere, no one else around. We're the first to draw our trails in the snow, and with the Matterhorn as a panoramic backdrop, this is just incredible. Yeah, to have the better view, we highly recommend walking downwards from Rotenboden to Riffelberg. It's also easier because you don't have to climb as much, but you will have the Matterhorn in front of you for the entire descent, or like at least the first half of the descent. And it's like so incredibly beautiful now. And it's so wonderful quiet. Like the ski area is just awakening. And down here on the snowshoe trail, no one else.
Gott, ja. Oops. Oops. Oh god. Oh. Oh. Mit einem Bein rein. I'm okay.
So we had a bunch of fresh snow yesterday, so the trail is obviously in amazing conditions and it's a lot of fun, but in parts the snow is so deep you really don't expect it and you might sink in like up to your knee. So being the first on the trail, it's a bit exhausting and, well, difficult in parts, but at the same time this is so much more fun than just following some other trails. I love it.
Oj, oj, oj. Gott, ja.
So we ended up following the wrong poles. Important is that you follow the ones without the orange marking, but even if you do like us and in the end just follow the street, this trail is still beautiful. The panoramic view over the Matterhorn and into the Zermatt valley, just unbelievably beautiful. So like the actual trail would go straight up here or come straight down there, but yeah, we ended up following the street. I'm not too sad about it. It was beautiful. We missed out on passing by the lake. Not sure if that was worth it or not, but yeah, the view here, no matter where you go, is incredible. If you enjoyed the video, please consider supporting our channel by pressing the like button. Thank you so much in advance.